the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel.
Hey, good morning. What is it? March 17th already. Whew. All right. Let me just check something real quick. All right, 1,005. 5 seconds. Not bad. All right. Well, since 8 o'clock, we've gone up. ES is up 26. NQ's up. Well, if I could see it, I'd tell you 92, so about 100. Let me check my hour chart real quick. Let's do 30 days. Next resistance on NQ right around 24,900. No, wrong one. 25,035. Support down here at 24,729. So our chart on NQ, I'll probably put that right there. So this guy here, 25,035. And then this low down here at 24,731. I can move this guy up here. Oh, I know. Yeah, everything's messed up because I switched over to the June contract. That's why. And I got none on here. let's go up to 425. Goldenrod. There we go. Let me, I got to copy a couple of these off to my chart. Only ones that matter. I don't think we go much higher than that. What's that number? 67.87. Yeah, close enough. All right, you get on ES, we have some resistance up here, the bear zone, 67.85 to 68.02, and then next target would be bear's last stand at 68.20. You got the daily pivot 67.30. VWAP is way down here at 67.50. On NQ, today's pivot 24,799.50. And then you got the bear zone at 25,021 to 25,096. So that's what I'm watching today. Pretty simple. Big bullish 15-minute candles. I mean, essentially, you're looking at what happened here. Probably something close to that. So in Q, control copy. Put that guy right there. That's also, looks like a previous high. Right in there also. So there you go. I'll get rid of this. Here's what do you call it? London high, 816. London low, 728. Start out with pre 2-minute standard. I'm already set up. That's my morning routine. Pretty simple. We're up into the bear zone on ES right now, so we've taken out yesterday's high at 67.84. That's one, yeah, just checking. And that's about it. So now I just got to wait, be a little patient. 10 o'clock, we got pending home sales. Oops. Pending home sales, yeah. That's about it. So NQ just went up and tagged the bear zone right here. This chart. Simple. How you guys doing today? Everybody doing good? Michael, you want to join? I'm live. Good, Emil. Doing good. Good morning. Yep, I got you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, where are we at on time? We have about 30 seconds, so good luck. Again, playing the 2-minute. I'm playing small again, but I'm only playing one thing.
Yeah.
I forgot to put in that. I was going to put in a deal where it says if you're not greater than 15 points, you can't take the trade, but I have not done that. The high at 13. Yep, we're at 12 now.
It's too late now, so let it go.
Yeah. There it is. There's the open. Little
Okay.
delayed reaction. There you go. Got 1 and 2.
Yep.
Oh,
Of course.
what happened? Didn't take it.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. What happened?
Get off.
Oh, it did take it, but I got a little loss. Wow.
Yeah, mine took it. I got like $60. That's it.
Well, that's the power of rhythmic, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Because when I play like CQG,
Yeah.
I get a lot more points.
There you go.
All right.
Look at that.
Yep. There you go. Fuckers. All right. So we've had a nice little run up since 8 o'clock. You got to be bullish. I mean, there's not much else to do. Go with what got you where you're at. So right now we've rejected the bear zone coming down a little bit, but this may just be a pullback. I'd like to see a pullback maybe down here to the 20 EMA. Would be good. On ES. ES is inside the bear zone.
Man.
So I'm going to stick to my game plan, which is Which is kind of just wait.
Yep.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Back up to the bear zone again.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oop. We're moving higher. Took out previous 15-minute on NQ. You could have taken that long there. 90 at roughly 25. 425.
Fuck.
In no hurry. We got time. FOMC starts, or the meetings start today.
Yeah. Market, man.
I got the greenest shirt that I could find for St. Patrick's Day today. I didn't look.
Is that today?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay. Big move up. Oh, not a big move up. Just a move up. Oh. So. Oh. I didn't stop Bot Suite from taking the long, so it recorded my long. I forgot to turn it off. Sometimes you're lucky like that.
Yeah. I turned it off, so yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so I got some money on that one. All right. All right. Where ES is popping out of the bear zone, trying to. And Q's still right in the middle of it. About 45 seconds for the 5-minute. And I am just going to try to be patient today. Try to keep up with the thought process of less is more.
Yeah. That's true.
All right, so 5-minute fib I could put on right here up to here.
Oh, they're like 114.
Yep. There you go. That actually is the play. So the thought process is on this trade is to, in this case, to buy in this block right here. Oh, 05 would probably be the best. It would be a 20-point stop. I guess 96 would probably be the best because that's kind of like right in between. But then the other rule of thumb, if we don't come down, is if we pop our heads back above this 0 line, you take it up to the 114.
Yeah.
So we want between 18. I don't like 18, but I don't know if we're going to come all the way back down to 25,000. 21 right here would probably make more sense, or 18, just because that's the bottom of the bear zone. Come on, baby, get on down here. Now, there's also a good chance this doesn't even work out. So I know I don't even look at it. I try not to look at it on Monday because Mondays never work. Fridays tend to work better. I'm up in the air about Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
For which one?
The
For
5-minute fib.
Oh, okay.
So 7 minutes left on the 15. We have moved across that prior high wick of 33.50 roughly from yesterday at 3 p.m. 3:15 p.m. The high was 35.
Yeah, see it.
Yep. So we've moved across that. Ideally, they'd probably like to stay above that 35. Well, it's right here. I was sitting here looking for one, and it's right there. It's also yesterday's high. So
Yeah, the previous month's high is at 25. So
yep.
altogether.
Okay. Okay, nice little fakie up above the zero line. 72. Man, I'd almost like to take that right here, right now. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try one right here. Oops. Just a 10-point stop. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Darn it. Kind of messed that all up. It's going to get taken out here. Probably should have waited for that to move. Now I'm going to take losses. That's for sure. That's what I was looking for right there. Yep, just a little consolidation there. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 3 minutes left on the 5 and the 15. Honestly, I don't know. Probably going to go higher now. ES is moving above the bear zone. Hmm. Here's what I see on the 1 minute on NQ. Is that? I'll switch over to ES in a few. Probably going to wait till 9:50. I'll switch to ES. Come on. There's that move across. There we go. Is it going to go? I think so. I don't know. Because otherwise it's going to leave a weird 5-minute, somewhat a hammer. Come on. So 1 minute left on the 5. I'm just looking for, I'm just basically based on the 5-minute candle. So, oops, damn it. I'll show you what I was looking at. I think it was on the 5 minutes, it was going to go green and push up. So we made a lower high here. Still got 28 seconds. I can still do it. We crossed that trend line. But maybe we got to come down before we can go up. I don't know. See, now I don't want to take it because I've already been burned twice. So this is probably the time it's going to take off, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a 5-minute inside bar.
Yeah.
Take that. All right, so that entry was right here at 75. And 20 points would be about 95, 94 something.
Yeah.
Let's see if it plays out. Come on, push it up.
Looks like it wants. Yep, there it
All
is.
right, there's target 1. I'm going to go ahead because a lot of times we'll go up to that and push back down. Well, maybe not. There we go. All right, going to shoot for 114. That's the 114. 113.50 is good enough. Come on, get up there. Take me out. Almost got me. I'll take 105. Come on. I'll take 110 if we get back up there. Nope, gonna take me out. All right. Not bad. See if we can get up to the 114, and as long as we don't go past 127, we could short. Let's see if I can just take a small one here. It went up to the 114. Oh, took me out. So it also took target 2, 20 and 40 on the inside bar.
Yep.
Come on, fill the gaps. Let's go. I'll try to lock in 10 if I can. So that would be about 97. There you go. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay, it won't let me out of Take Profit Trader. So I got to go to the website and fucking log out. God damn it. Great timing on the log out. Yeah, I'm short. It's going long. Okay. I closed it. Okay, I got a loss. Yep. Damn you. Not bad though. Okay, so far, is this playing out? Kind of, sort of. We didn't get to come down. That's fine. It doesn't have to. It's just that I like to see it. And then a move up. So now the question is, do we reject from here? As long as we don't go above 127. If we go above 127, then it's mute. Trade's over. But right now we could still come back down to the 38.2, 50 to 61.8. So do I want to short it is the question. As long as we don't make another higher high. But we got a nice 15-minute candle here. Get rid of that. New 5-minute came out. We could come down and fill the gap on the 5-minute around 76. Might be worth it to take the short. Damn it. Could have got up there around 10. Would have been not bad. Yep. That was probably a silly trade right there. Let me get out of this trade. Don't really want to be in it. Come on, baby. Get me then. Come down and get me. All right. Cool.
Yeah. But I hope for a better rejection there. Yeah.
Yep.
Left some gaps there. So
Yeah, that's
I
what
mean,
I was kind of
114.
playing. I thought maybe we'd come down to 86.
Yeah. I mean, 114 still held though. I mean,
Yep. I mean, we just filled that gap there. We could still come down.
yeah.
Coming down to the 14. Somewhere around right around here. 87 to 86. We'd also hit the 14 EMA, which is around 84. Come on, baby. There we go. Just taking little, oh, come on. There we go. Just fly on down there. All right, little trade. Come on. Oh, you got to take me out. There you go. All right. Slowly climbing up. Little 10 points here, 10 points there. And the goal here for this move you just got to watch the key points. 23.6 we could bounce. The 38.2 we could bounce. I mean, if I had it my way, I would have it come down to 50%. That's where I would like to go. All right, we came down and filled the, if I go to a 1 minute chart here,
Yeah.
you can see the 1 minute gap right here that I was playing. There's another 1 minute gap right here.
Hey.
My guess is they'll come down and fill this gap down here, down to 71, 72-ish. We do have a big gap. Oops. Down here. So, all right. So we're at the 23.6. We might be bouncing. You got a little flag break there. Potential on the 1 minute. Something I always look for. But let's go back to the 2 minute. There you go. Boom, boom. Really got to be aggressive on those plays and just take them.
Yeah.
All right. What time is it? All right. 56. So I'm going to switch over to ES here. Because this is the time to switch to ES. Okay, we're up 50 points on ES, 211 on NQ. So long and strong, I guess. I'm going to switch over to 5 points, 5 ES. If we come down to around 68.03, I might entertain. Well, let me check something out here. Looking at the 5 minute and the 15 minute. We got 3:30 left on the 15. I might just wait for that 15. We did come down almost to 68.03, darn it. We got to 04. The 5 minutes trending strong. Almost want to take that long. But I'll try to be patient. So you can see the 15 minute here. We got 2:50 left, 2 minutes, 50 seconds. It's looking bullish. We're above the bear zone on both NQ and ES. So as long as we hold that, you know, you start looking up here for target one up here at 25,171. Our bear's last stand. Sorry about that. Okay, ES is challenging the opening range 15 and the bear zone. NQ's dropping a little bit. 2 minutes left on the 15. Okay, possible short on ES. Uh-oh. 45 seconds to wait. Almost came down to VWAP. ES did. Yeah, what the hell is this? So VWAP 67.67. Oh, this is a 30 period I put on yesterday, huh? All right, something to watch. So yesterday I put on a 30 period EMA on a 1 minute chart. So a 30 EMA on a 1 minute chart. What would that be on a 2 minute chart, Michael? Why am I having a brain fart on that?
Huh?
So on a 1 minute, I have it at a 30 EMA. On a 2 minute, if I wanted to see that same number, it would be what?
15?
Yep, that's where I was going. My brain wasn't letting me go there.
Mm.
Oh, I got up way too early today.
Damn it. Okay, close that gap there, that 1 minute. Fuck.
All right, so the 1 minute did switch over to a short. I could still take it right here. Let me see, where's the entry? Entry would have been right around 6,800.
I think you gotta get.
I don't like it.
Uh,
I don't like it one bit, but I'm going to take it.
take 6,800.
Okay, I'm going to jump out of this real quick because I need to re-enter. I had some wrong accounts set up. I'm going to get back in now. Because my original entry should have been right around 6,800.75. So I'm okay with it, even though I got in at 99. It's 1 point. Okay. I'm going to let that play. I mean, we're up, right? We're up. I mean, not we're up, but the market's up 44 points. ES.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really like the short. NQ's up 200, but I got to take it because that's the system says to take it.
Yeah, I mean, if you're going to take the short, I mean, this is the place to be.
And I'm trying to just follow a system, not willy-nilly. Willy-nilly, it's basically price action for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So ES, if we come back across this line here, then for sure the trade's over for me. So in case we get some kind of news, exuberant type news, I'll just put that stop there just for safeguard.
Yeah, this could be the short below 70 on NQ.
If we come down to 688, I'd probably take it right there, actually. So we got a gap fill down to 67.92 on ES.
Yeah.
We're right in the middle of a gap right now. I'll put that on the screen here. Are you looking at my chart, Michael?
I am. Yep.
Can you see that blue box I just put on there? Not really.
No.
You're 5 seconds behind. All right, let me go with
Yeah, yeah. I see.
a higher opacity. There you go. You can see that, right?
The blue box. Where did you? Oh, there. Now I see it. Yeah, now I
Okay.
see it.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh. Could be. Now we've left a gap above us. Yeah.
Yeah, just a little one.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'd like to see it come down to 92, and I'd probably go into a little protect mode on that if we come down and feel that, because I don't really have any more gaps below me that haven't been filled. I mean, there's a little one down here around 67.82, but I don't see them coming down to get that. I mean, we could bounce right here, so this might be the end of it anyway. I mean, ideally, I'd like to see it come down here to around 86. That would be great for me.
86. Yeah.
Yeah, because we got the 1 minute weighted moving average right around there, 88, 67.88 on the money.
Yeah.
So I would probably go a little bit higher, somewhere up in here. But I can tell you, if we come to 92, my stop at this point will be 95. I'll drop my stop down. Okay, we got a new 5 minute. We could go up and fill the gap up here to 6,800. Where's, oh, NQ. What's NQ? Okay. That was a place to re-enter right there if I wanted to. Come on, baby. Just take out 92. I'd be happy with that. Maybe not. 10 seconds on this 1 minute candle. Stand below that 30 EMA so far. 7 minutes, 50 seconds roughly on the 15. Oh. Let's go. TCS just took a short. You can watch this if you want. All right. I don't really like that. Got a something like that. So my guess is if we pop over 83, you got to watch for that long. We do have a gap fill right here. Looks like I just filled it. See if we can come back down now. Sucker. Come on, baby. Let's go. Move her on down.
There you go.
Let me remove that obstacle right here. That's that prior support area or resistance. There we go. Had to move it out of the way so it gives it free rein to come on down. Let's go. Trying to fill that gap fill down here around 67.92. If we get there, I'm going to move my stop down to 95. Like I'm already going to go break even just to protect. I'm going to go ahead and take off TCS. We got close enough. There we go. It automatically went to break even. Okay, I'm going to go down to 90. Well, there's a gap fill at 95.50. So I'd like to, let's fill the first gap. And maybe I'll just take it off. 1 minute weighted moving average is around 67.91. So as we come down, I'm just going to take it off. And we got target 1 and target 2 on TCS. 45 points. Not bad.
Yeah.
And not bad.
NQ 1 minute is coming at 22.
Yep.
25 maybe, yeah.
Yep. 22. I like it.
Which is also the bottom of the bear zone.
Yep. Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, so that gap fills filled. This is VWAP down here. This is the 2-minute or the 5-minute 20 EMA
Yeah.
50. And I'll delete this guy. You know, this guy's actually 2 days now. He's actually, I mean, this is the 30 EMA
Huh.
on the 1 minute, right? 15 on the 2
Yeah.
minute. And look how well it holds. When we went above it, we went long, held that support at open, held that support. We came down, crossed below it, and so far it's been a short. Not too bad. My signal called for roughly 6,800.75 was the entry. My things weren't lined up, so I had to close it out and open it back up at 99. I was good with, and I could, once I get my accounts up high enough where I can get some buffer in there, then I want to start riding some of these trades out, because right now I should still be in the ES trade, but because of drawdowns and shit, I gotta just play a little safe.
Yeah.
On the 15-minute, nice little reversal candle on the 15-minute candle.
Yeah. There's your 1 minute. Going back, going below it now. Breaking the bear zone.
Yep. NQ breaking the bear zone. ES breaking the bear zone. See what happens here. Came back to retest yesterday's high. See if it holds. Got a new 15-minute candle, so we can play little games here. I don't know why Nutty keeps on trying to go long. Come on, Nutty. Well, he's trying to go with the trend, which is the play to go, I guess. Checking out some SPY options. Might have missed that opportunity. Nice little reversal candle. It's still there. Let me go to a 2-minute. Where's my 2-minute chart? There we go. Oh yeah, that one's looking good. I don't mind the short here. It's just, man, I hate shorting it at the low here. At the, could they be trying to take out the overnight low, which is way down here at 67.42? That's 4 points down.
Just close that buy side gap now, and
Ow. Should have took that short.
the short is, yeah, fuck, the short is up there, man.
Yeah.
Took out that high, took out a high, came down, took out structure there into a gap. 10.05.
Okay, so the opening range low down there, right at 67.83.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one we just took out. On NQ, oh, we haven't taken out that low, the morning low yet.
Yeah.
All right, so and we got a gap there, right? We just filled that gap, right? On NQ.
Yeah. Yeah. Close that. Yeah.
Then he's going to get his long, it looks like. We got a couple little gaps here, right here at 25.48 to 52. Oh. I'd like a little move higher. I don't know if I'm going to get it though. All right, we went back above yesterday's high, back above the 1 minute weighted. Oh, he's making a nice comeback. He took a lot of heat though.
Yeah. Below the 1 minute, back above the 1 minute. So 26. Yeah.
All right, we just filled that other gap, 63.50 roughly.
350, right?
63. Good long. Well, now it's a good long. All right, coming back to that 30 EMA. See if we can close above it. I'm going to throw that on the NQ chart, see if that works. Yep. I think it does. The fire department's busy today.
What?
Can you hear
Oh,
that?
you can hear it. No, I can't hear it, yeah.
Okay, we just came up to the 13 EMA on the 2 minute on SPY. $87 today. Oh,
It's too hot.
Christ.
It's too hot for now. I mean,
Too hot.
yeah.
So I got my window open, man, because it was getting warm in here.
Let me see what the weather is. Today we have a high of 44. Wow.
All right, we're back above the 30 on NQ. We're kind of holding. Might be a long. ES is kind of rejecting it though. That's actually a short signal right there for me. Right here at 67.89. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to put my stop really close.
Really close.
That close. Actually, I'll move it up just a hair more. And I'm out. All right. Those are the kind of opportunities I actually don't mind taking because of the small stops. I think it was still a good one. Damn it. Look at, we're trying to figure out, does it want to go higher, or does it want to drop here?
Yeah.
All right. And I don't really care. Uh-oh. TCS doesn't. He went long. I don't know if I like the long. Okay, if we come up and get up to around 80, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up. I don't really want to take a big hit, a big short, or a big loss here. Actually, I'm playing pretty small. That's right. I'm only playing 2 contracts, so. See what happens. Okay, ES is coming down, it looks like. Well, let's see. Yep. Yep. There's the short for ES. Damn it. Damn it. I knew I had the right entry. 89 was a good place. Okay, if we drop the 5-minute low, the previous 5 minute on NQ, which is 42.25. So I'm going to raise my stop up to about here and here.
Is that TCS on the far right there that's taking the trade?
TCS here. Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. Took a long at 66.25. I didn't like it because ES was coming down, but ES is trying to fill a gap up to 88. Okay, just filled it, and see if it goes higher now. It's still red. The cloud is still red for ES, so I'm a little leery about taking a long until it turns green. But the 89 was my trigger for a short. I just put my stop way too short. 89 should have been at least up to 93, 94 is what I should have done. Okay, let's see what happens. Who's going to win? The Bulls or the Bears?
No, no, no. Yeah, you're playing in the bear zone here, man.
Yep, that's the problem. That's the problem with the long. That's why I'm pretty leery of it. But remember, TCS says, fuck, I don't give a shit about any bear zone.
Yep.
I just know my signal says go long. Okay, we got to get above that 30 EMA, around 92. Get a close above that would be acceptable. Oh, there we go. All right, if we get to 80 or so, I'll take one off. 74. Come on. Come on. Keep going, baby. I'm going to take one off anyway. I'll go to break even. How's that?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing's not updating. Oh, you sucker. Oh, we're still red. All right. I didn't mind that. Didn't lose much.
Oh, yeah. Did you go to break even?
Yeah, one break even and the other one lost, I don't know,
Yeah.
20 points or something. Maybe 30.
Yeah, because you. Yeah, it's funny because you're it's a little bit delayed showing up on the chart, so it's like.
Yeah, I'm at 5 seconds, so. But 5 seconds could be a lot of points. Okay, if we get back up here, I don't know if I should do that or not, but I'm going to try it anyway. At least I'll get something small out of it. There we go. All right, nice little reversal, potential reversal on the 15-minute on ES. NQ is just positive. So if we bust above NQ above 79, then Bob's your uncle, I think. To the upside.
Yeah.
And I will take a long on ES at that point. If we can close above this 967.91, 92-ish. 92 would be better. All right, we did not close above that. So I'm out. Or I mean, I'm not in, but TCS, that long I took failed. So we'll stop playing him. I think if TCS, or if we get stopped out around 25,014 on TCS, then it will be, where are we at now? 45 minus 100 would be 60. Yeah, he'd be done for the day. All right, so
Came
ES
down.
just waiting for a cross above 91 now. Okay, just being patient. Come on, let's get above 92. And let's close above 92. I mean, right now, the 5-minute on NQ, the last 3 5 minutes are just kind of dojis, basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
So ES, pretty close to the same. We're getting a little pump up now. There's that little move above. So I will take the long. Oh, and
Then it
immediately
just,
right back down. See, that's why I like
yeah.
going right above the prior candle. I mean, now when it drops down, I actually move it down. So as we come down, it's just kind of a feel thing. Now I'm going to look for a push back up. But if I can get in lower, I want to get in a little lower. I don't mind right around 90, 90.5. Let's see if I can get 5 points here. And I'll shoot for a 5-point stop about. There we go. Come on, baby. Shit, might as well go for a little bit higher. Okay, there's a big trend line. If I go with the bodies, we just crossed it. Come on, get up there. We're going to close back below it. So, see what I've gotten, the 96? No, would not gotten it. Come on, baby, let's go. So we got that trend line coming down. If we can stay above that, push up. Maybe we'll go back up to 6,800. That would be the next resistance. If we can get back above that trend line. Okay, so that gap's been filled. All right, new 5-minute. That could be why we're playing some games here. On ES, the high there is 91.75. Right at my entry. What do you know? All right, let's go. They just don't want to push it above. ES is trying to get NQ is trying to get above that 79.25. 79.25. Come on, push it.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. All right, so 96, I would have gotten it, would have got my 5 points. So I'll lock in 5 as soon as I can. If I can, maybe we'll get a blast up and just take me out. Okay, fill that gap right there. That's fine. Oh, probably should have taken the 96. Come on, get back up there. $79. Come on, push back up. There we go. I have a feeling we're going to come back down a little bit more. Got 8 minutes left on the 15. Oh, come on. Hopefully that's not as far as they're going to go. As far as the high being around 96. So I'm going to just probably go to break even and take a little bit of a loss. Came down to the 1 minute, waited, tagged it, bounced right now. And I think I don't know if we're going to go higher. I mean, if we are, great, take it. We get up back up, if we can get up to 96, 98, so that was a 1 minute gap fill up there. Yeah, I'm out. All right, I feel good about that.
Sheesh.
Yeah, so that's what I didn't want to have to wade through. Because we could be setting up for another short right here. All we did was come up in gap filled at 67.96. And stupid me, that's what my original thought was. That's why I had my target at 96. I should have just taken it. Sat there and said, good, that's good. Good flush down. Now I'm waiting for a short setup. We got 6 minutes left on the 5. And I got to wait for this here candle to close. SPY's back below the 13 EMA, at least trying to be. Okay, 7 seconds left. Let's see what happens. Actually, whoa.
Back below, fucker.
Let's go. All right, we're back below the 1 minute weighted, and what is this? Oh. See if we can drop the bear zone, which is the bottom of it is 85.25, 67, 85, 25. It's really tricky right here.
Yeah.
We could go either way, honestly. Oh, 3 minutes left on the 15. I wouldn't mind a green doji, a red doji candle on the 15. On EF, on NQs, same thing. But a push back above probably 92, 93, and we're long. Damn it. Yeah, it's just tricky right here. Come on, stay down. Are we? It's a little tight right here. This is where your sphincter gets a little small. Oh, took me out.
Back above the one, yeah.
Dang it. Didn't want that. All right. Potential long setup then. Yeah, nothing I really like. This is just crap right here. Gonna miss this long.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'll be back. I just gotta make a quick call.
Okay.
Okay.
Could come down to feel that gap at 93.75 here. Okay, the prior 15-minute 98. Come on. Gap fills 93.75. Oh, that's interesting. Here's the 1-minute gap fill right at 94. Didn't quite get there, but maybe close enough, hopefully. Be great to get a nice little push up to 802. Come on, let's go. Getting close to the witching hour, 11 o'clock. Come on. Need one more little push up. We're in the bear zone on NQ and ES, which is just sloppy trading. And I should have known better before taking that last long or short. Now my goal is to see if we can come up to the top of the bear zone, which is right here at 6802. 6802.75. We're up 42 points on ES and 190 on NQ. And you can see the basic trend line for ES. You know, I could probably add another one here and just say, you know, I wouldn't take a short unless we cross that line. Okay, here's that 1 minute gap fill there. We actually have another one down below it to 90. I really don't want to take that one on. So if we don't hold this, then I'm going to get out. So basically, if we don't hold VWAP, I'm going to get out. 93. And I'm going to just keep inching this guy up. Come on, let's go. We got our next row of resistance points at 6,800. Might be tough to get through. Let's go. Seven minutes left on the 15, 2:30 on the 5 minute. That sucker fish. Even though I took my stops on TCS, it actually took out target 1. And probably going to hit up to target 2 here. So right now it's up 64 points, so it's locked out. It will continue to record this trade if we get up there. Or, oh no, right, it went to break even. Sorry, never mind. It's already locked out. It's done for the day. 83 yesterday, 64 today. This is going to be a long trade. $30 seconds left on the 5. We're going to need to see some green going up. Come on, push up. 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Nope. All right, new candle. I might take this trade off. We get back up to break even. We got a lot of wicks up on top there. A lot of little wicks. Come on. One push. Four minutes left on the 15. See if we can get a push up. Come on. Get back above 97.50. Come on, baby. You can do it. There we go. There we go. Come on. You sucker. Nope. Not what I want to see.
Man, didn't miss a freaking thing.
What's that?
Didn't miss a thing.
Nope.
The market's exactly where it was when I left. I think because of Fed tomorrow, right? So it's like,
Yep. Okay, minute
Right.
30 seconds left.
Are you in a long, right? It's 97.
Yeah. Not going to work out. All right. I lost half of where I was at. A little more than half. It's okay. It's a good place to stop.
Yeah. Yep.
No red accounts. They're all green, but they're small. Very
Yeah, same.
small.
Same.
Yeah, this is just garbage. We're just inside the bear zones and we can't get out of them. So until we
Yeah.
get out, it's just time to hold, just to wait. Because we're just going to get
Yeah,
that
it's not
up and
worth
down
it.
stuff. I mean, you could really do this too. Okay, well, they're not all great days. So I'm happy with this. I'm happy with saying, today was just a yeah day. Nothing great.
Yeah, if you finish green, it's
Yep. Green is not
still
red.
somewhat
So
positive. Yeah.
still up 40 points. NQ is up 194. And this is also, for me, it's always a kind of a bad area or bad timing to trade is the turnovers. So when we go
Yeah.
from contract to contract, I
Yeah,
did,
makes sense.
yep, I did switch over to June's,
Yeah,
and
me too. Yeah.
yeah, just because it was, well, when I looked at it this morning, it was like 190 to 140 or something like that, or 120.
Yeah, yeah, there was a much bigger gap in
Yeah,
terms of the volume.
yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, system says to go short. But so far,
Yeah.
it's been crazy. The 5 minute has been in a long since since 8:05 this morning. It has not got to a short or a red cloud yet. Making higher highs and higher lows so far until we don't.
Hmm.
Yep, there's the short. I don't know how much you get though. We got a 1 minute gap fill down here at 90.
Yep.
15-minute low on. Oh,
Yeah.
so there's
Inside bar.
yep, on NQ. I was just going to say we're getting ready to drop the previous 15-minute candle. If it would have got up a little bit higher there, around 93, I would have taken that short on ES.
Mm.
Come on, get up there. Come on. 5 EMA. Damn it. Nope. I'm just going to lower my expectations a little bit. Oh, still in the trade somewhere. So NQ target 1 is around 46.50.
Yes, correct.
So if NQ drops 990, or no, it's NQ. Yeah, if it drops 996, that'll be a lower high it puts in.
Mm.
ES would have to drop 79. The low 79.25. Okay, back up to the 5 EMA around 690. Okay, I can get rid of that. This is prior support area right here around 88.
Looks like this 15 minutes going to hit its target, I
Yeah, it
think.
looks like it's trying.
Yeah, definitely trying, yeah. Oof. Just fucking missed it by a penny.
Yep. Here's the 15-minute. Just missed it.
Just missed
46.50.
it, yeah.
It got to 47. 2 ticks.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Well, technically 70 points on the pre 2-minute high low, 60 points on the 5-minute, and 40 points on the 15.
Yeah.
One of the better days.
Yeah, they all worked.
We're right now at the 15-minute opening range on ES.
Yeah. Uh, yeah, NQ, we're kind of in the middle of it, yeah.
Yeah. Seeing if we drop that low of 67, 79.25, that would create potentially a nice little M pattern.
Yeah, we're trying to break this bear zone. So it looks like an M with a lower high, you know, like
Yes. So that's where you come up. Oops. Yeah, we dropped that. That's not going to be good. Damn it. I had my SPY puts too. Son of a gun. It was the right play, baby. Problem is, IB, you got VWAP right below it.
yeah.
What about NQ? Same thing. We got still big ways to go for NQ to drop, huh? Wow. Sure is looking like a short.
Mm.
Darn it. You know, if that short would have happened, my little indicator would have showed me somewhere around 10:55. If that short would have happened like 2 to 3 minutes before when it actually happened, I would have taken it. But it was 11:01 at 793, 67.93. Darn it. Okay, came down to the bottom of the bear zone, bounced. ES coming back down. I'm going to try. Oh, I tried to get in with the short here. Damn it. I wanted to be up a little bit higher. New 5 minute. Nope. 2 minutes 35 left on the 5. Same thing on the 15. Kind of need a push down now. Nope, stay there. Don't come in here. I got the cat stretching, wanting to come over here and talk to me. Come on, baby. I know. Just stay right where you're at. I'm going to take that stop. Nope. I'm going to try to take one off at IB. And I'll try to leave a runner. See if we can get down there. Come on, baby. Push down. Last minute 30. One little push down. I knew I was too close. Could close the gap up at 86.75. The only thing I don't like is we're getting ready to start a new 15-minute candle, damn it. Okay, I'm going to go to break even. Ah, I took one off.
Oy.
Okay, gap fill up here at 86.75. If we do, I would add one at 85. Okay, just about filled that gap. Oh, you fucker. Okay, if we can close this right around here, and not take me out, that will be the key. And then we can get a red candle to come down. Come on, don't take me. There's a fucker. There's a gap up there. All right. I'm gonna go lick my wounds. I was up 1,200. Now I'm down to break even. So
Yeah, that's a
damn bear zone got me again. Okay, if we keep coming down, I'm gonna take the short. And if we drop this, I'll add one. Would not be surprised to come up and close the gap at 91. But now we're back into a green cloud. So darn it. Because I didn't trust that 11 o'clock candle. Ooh.
All right, I must. No more.
All right, last trade. Oh. See if we can stay below VWAP. If not, I'm done.
Yeah, it's just chopping around, man.
All right, that's it. Oh, still in a trade. Yeah, time to get out. Well, red day. It happens. Small red day though. That's the good news.
uh,
3 accounts green, 4 accounts red, but very small.
yeah, it's not bad.
Nope. Still like the short
Yeah.
though, honestly.
Yeah, I also do.
Huh?
Oh, I agree. I also like the short.
Yeah.
But it is after 11 and it is the day before Fed Day, and
Yeah, which is right pretty typical. You get a lot of chop, a lot of traps.
yeah. So I don't know.
There's that
And
short.
Trump is talking.
Is he?
Trump is tech on Truth Social and stuff. Yeah.
Don't go short, you sucker. I was playing for IB, honestly. That's what I was playing for.
Where's IB on ES?
67.79.
Okay, that's not, yeah, that's not far away.
No, that's why I was trying to fucking hang in there just like this. Look, so now I'm gonna be
Yeah,
stupid. Take a stupid
yeah,
trade off a big
yeah.
old
We're
fucking.
breaking the bear zone now. Yeah.
Oh, you should have got out right there because now you got a gap fill, big ass gap fill. But come on, you're that close. You got to at least come down and tag it. NQ previous low is 25,012.5. And we
Yeah.
took out that low. Oh, just need some follow through now. Oh, you fucker. Should have stopped while I was ahead. All right, one time.
Yeah, I'm stopping as we
Oh, fucker. Okay, close the gap. Don't tell me you're going to come back up to VWAP again. Or what is that? The 30 EMA? Yep. Come on, baby. Let me finish out on a positive note. Make me feel good about the rest of the day. There we go. Come on. Make me feel good. I know you just tried. Try again. I'll be ready this time. Come on, kick me out at 81. 3 points. Big deal. Come on. Nope. Not going to give it to me. Make me suffer a little bit more. Yep. Ah, you cockfucker. Oh. All right. Now I'm done officially. Okay, that's it. Till tomorrow. Thanks for being here.
Yep.
And
Okay.
we'll try it again tomorrow. It's still down, just not great now, but could be worse.
Yeah.
If I
Yeah,
keep
it's just
trading, it
annoying
will
to
be
give
worse.
it back, you know.
Yep.
All right.
Had a nice little run going.
Yeah, I think it's just, you kind of take that one trade and then it's like, okay, well,
Yep.
I get into that trouble fucking too many times.
Yep. It's like, I know it's going down to IB. It's got to go to IB.
Yeah. And you're probably right. The question is that will you get stopped out a bunch of times before it goes there?
Correct. So.
We're still in the bear zone, so it's shit.
Yep. It's all good. It's not a bad day. It's not a terrible day.
Yeah.
I could be down like somebody else 9,000. So that's all right.
Yeah. 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 I'm up a modest $207 per account.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm just stopping now. I'm done. Fuck it.
All right. Have a good
Okay, man.
day.
I'll
See you
talk to you later.
tomorrow, same time.
Okay, man. Ciao.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen.